let the Tunbol glide from my boat. The Israelis came and they are kidnapping us. Call my mother.
Here is some water,
immediately.
miss.
They tried to poison me.
No,
They
no,
are-
it's okay. You can drink it.
Ow! All we wanted to do is to help Hamas. Palestine. They are so evil to
Miss,
us.
come on. We need to go. We need to be safe.
Wow! You see, it's a film, you idiot! The UN will hear about those Israeli criminals, Israeli soldier. I was working out a lot here on the boat. Can you please press here? Give a bit massage. Can you please do that? You see, it's kidnapping me. This is my boat, my parent. I paid for this boat. Give me a high five. He kidnaps me again! The boat! Whoa, whoa! Whoa, can you help me please? Can you... Ow! You see? They kidnapped me, Mom! The world will hear about this. Okay, we're off. You know, you Israelis are pretty nice. You are from Tel Aviv? Do I have some time to travel or you going to deport me today? I want to see some Tel Aviv, you know, clubbing with some hot Israeli men. What do you say, idea, bro? Don't worry, I'm not filming anymore. I'm not going to be saying,